Hi everyone, today let's look at the harder type of quadratic factorization where the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. This is a common type of exam question in GCSE and MYP. We'll look through an example step by step and highlight the mistakes that students commonly make. So here is an example. Since a is not equal to 1, multiply a and c. This method is called AC method, which commonly used in many countries. Then we can write x squared plus 7x plus 6. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and adds to 7. So let me write down the factors of 6 here. Factors are 6 and 1, and 3 and 2. We know that we need to pick 6 and 1 here. If you need an introduction to factorization, click the video at the top. Open two brackets and distribute x in each. To satisfy whose product is plus 6 and the sum of plus 7, write plus 6 and plus 1 each. Since we multiply a and c earlier, now we need to divide each constant 2 because a is equal to 2. This is a typical way to use the AC method. Divide each constant by 2 and simplify it to x plus 3 over 1 and 1 over 2. Then move each denominator to the coefficient of x and you will get x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. This is the factorized form of 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now double check by expanding. So this is the factorized form and try to see if you get the original expression. So this, we have to see if we get the sum of 7x. So this factorized form is correct. Here is a second example. Multiply a and c. Then the expression turns into x squared minus 5x and minus 6. Find two numbers that multiply to minus 6 and add to minus 5. List the factors here. This is a common mistake that students often make. What if we pick 3 and 2? And write down the expression as x plus 3 and x minus 2. We get the product of minus 6, but sum is different. Expand it. And if we simplify the like terms, we get plus x, not minus 5x. So this factorized form is not correct. We must check both product and the sum carefully when factorizing quadratics. Now go back to the question. We need to pick 6 and 1 instead of 3 and 2. Write down two brackets and list x minus 6 and x plus 1. Since we multiply by 3 earlier, we need to divide each constant by 3. Open two brackets and simplify to x minus 2 over 1 and plus 1 over 3. Move each denominator to the coefficient of x. Then the factorized form is x minus 2 and 3x plus 1. Always expand to see if you get the original expression when a is not equal to 1. So this is the factorized form. And let's try to expand it. 3x squared plus x minus 6x minus 2. Since we get the original expression, this factorized form is correct. So this is our last example. Multiply a and c and write down the expression again. X squared minus 25x plus 84. And now we know that we need two numbers that multiply to 84 and add to minus 25. List down the factors of 84 first, which are 84 and 1, 42 and 2, and 28 and 3, and 21 and 4. Since we need two numbers whose product is 84 and sum is minus 25, we need to pick 21 and 4. Open two brackets and list those numbers 21 and 4. To get the product of 84, we need two negative signs. Then divide each constant by 6. Simplify to get x minus 7 over 2 and x minus 2 over 3. Move each denominator to the coefficient of x. Then the factorized form is 2x minus 7. 3x minus 2. This is the recommended method for factorizing when a is not equal to 1. So if you double check this factorized form, you can see that you get the original equation again. Practice these patterns and apply in GCSE and MYP exams. New math lessons are uploaded every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing for your exams with me.